Let me introduce you the MIXSURE, your new command line companion for precise concrete volume calculations. This Python console application simplifies material estimation for common structural elements like slabs, beams, and columns. With MIXSURE, you can quickly determine the estimated cubic meters of concrete needed, streamlining your construction projects. Hello everyone! Let me quickly show you how the slabs estimator in MIXSURE works. We have two types of slab in our console, the floor slab and the roof slab. First and foremost, make sure that you input correct data types so that it can't lead to inconvenience. So let's proceed. You input the slab's dimensions, whether it is floor slab or roof slab. Things like the length and the width in meters and thickness in centimeters. The program then instantly calculates the total concrete volume required for the slabs. Next, you select the specified concrete class, whether it's something like AA or B or C, and the weight of the cement bags you'll be using. With this information, MIXSURE provides you the exact quantities of cement, sand, and gravel needed for the mix. It's a fast and accurate way to get your material estimates, especially useful for those quick calculations you might need right on the construction site for a floor or roof slab project.
We will calculate the volume of the beam, specifically the rectangular beam. Here, inputting correct values contributes to the easy flow of the program. In the process of asking the user for needed dimensions, since pieces of beams cannot be afloat, upon inputting float values, it displays a queue of invalid data. And because of the loop, rather than exiting the entire program, it continues on asking the user for the correct data. After putting the needed dimensions correctly, the user's inputs are displayed in a table. After the volume calculation, the program will proceed on asking the user for the concrete class for the estimation of materials. And again, putting any unnecessary symbol will cause the interruption of the program, displaying another queue of invalid data. After inputting the correct data, the program will automatically proceed to the calculations and will display the required materials for concreting of beams.
Now let's move on the beam and girder estimator. First, the program asks for the number and dimensions of the beams and calculates their total volume. Then, it does the same for the girders. The volume are added together to get the total concrete needed. After selecting concrete class and bag weight, the program calculates the required cement, sand, and the gravel, and shows the final results in a clear table.
Hi, let me quickly show you how the square column estimator in MIXSURE works. First, we enter the number of columns, then the side length and the height. The program instantly calculates the total concrete volume. Next, we select a concrete class like AA or B and the bag weight. MIXSURE then give us the exact amount of cement, sand, and gravel needed. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for quick on-site estimates.
Next is for the rectangular column. To begin with, let's input numbers of rectangular columns we wish to estimate. Then, enter the length, width, and height of our rectangular column in meters. After that, the volume of it will appear and it's time to choose a concrete class and weight of the cement bag we're using. And with that, the required materials will pop up. For circular column, we will choose option number 3. Same with other two columns, we first input number of circular columns we want to use. Next is the diameter and height of it. And as usual, we will choose type of concrete we want to use and the weight of cement bag we'll be using. And with that, the required materials will appear and the estimation ends here.
After the multiple calculations of volume for different structure types, the program will still proceed to more calculations unless the user chooses to exit the program. On the other hand, this feature of the program makes it convenient for the user to maximize the use of our estimator. Choosing the exit option will end the entire program.